Okay, core stabilization, activation routine. Great movement for rehab purposes, but also just to bring a lot of stability in the core before we are doing heavy lifting. But it's also very beneficial for calisthenics movements. Now, we want to avoid arching our back. So we want to try to keep our spine neutral, but have posterior pelvic tilt at all times. And we want to simply extend our hand forward, not up. Just extend straight forward, and same thing with the leg. We want to extend it straight behind us. So don't lift the leg up, that causes arching in the back. Also, try to avoid twisting of the hips and the trunk. Try to stay stabilized and in the same strong position as you would in the basic position. So here, this is how the movement goes. Start in the push-up position. Focus on pelvic tilt already, posterior. Then lower your knees down to the floor. From here, squeeze the abs, keep the core tight, and perform the extension. Get your knee and hand back to the floor, reactivate and go. Other side. Activate, squeeze your abs. Now, if you do this properly, it will be pretty hard. Of course, I'm an advanced athlete, but I still really feel this, and I really have to focus on keeping my hips and torso from rotating. So again, this is an anti-rotation exercise, and you will really feel it in the obliques, which is of course very important to stay very stable with working with heavy weights and calisthenic movements. Perform 5 reps on one side and then 5 reps on the other side. Try to really focus on your position and keep your core tight. Don't arch the back. Enjoy.